everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button, and don't forget to hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, you'll be subscribed to all our videos, and we'll send you an update whenever we release a Hobby Box Break tutorial or what looks to be like a loot box type of break. So we found this and we thought it'd be cool to do a video on. It's a type of loot box. It's got some cool Ghostbusters stuff in there. So we get some mystery item in there. So I'm curious as to what that mystery item will be. Can't wait to get this air freshener. That's going in the truck for sure. All right, before we get to this, leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll get you in for two, that's right, two drawings. One for our monthly drawing, and one for this flawless briefcase drawing. And let me tell you, this thing is getting full, so we're gonna have to start getting ready to get this for the drawing. But we got that monthly drawing coming up, and we've got enough comments, so we're doing a runner-up and a second runner-up. We get more comments, we're gonna do some more runner-ups on this flawless briefcase. All right, let's get to this. This looks fun, so let's open this bad boy up and see what we get inside. Ghostbusters 35th anniversary, I guess. All right, this looks fun. It's a big box. It's by Culture Fly, built by Culture Fly. So hopefully the Culture Fly gave us something good in this bad boy. So let us see what we get. Here we go. All right. Well then, here is our cool car freshener. Can't wait to put that one in the vehicle. And we got a Slimer collectible figure. A Slimer collectible figure? Wow, that's pretty cool. It's pretty big too. So that looks really cool. Check him out a little bit. And we got some Ghostbusters socks. Oh, who are you gonna call? And let's see what we get in here. Let's just pull these two items out. Alright. We got a Ghostbusters coaster set. Okay, classic Ghostbusters coaster set. Let's see what these look like. Oh, nice, nice. We got Stance, Zedmore, and Spangler, and come on. Stuck together. There we go. And Venkman. Gotta have Venkman. Those are pretty cool. Alright. Sweet coaster set. Got all the Ghostbusters. We got some really cool socks. Some Ghostbuster socks. Oh yeah. Some cool crew socks. And we got Ghostbusters Classic Stay Puft Mini Planter. Mini Planter, huh? Let's see what this mini planter is about. Oh, cool. Here he is. Stay Puft Mini Planter. Now that's cool. Great for Halloween, I would say. Set him to the side. Let's check out Slimer here. Collectible figure. Slimer figure, huh? Well, that's pretty cool. He's just a good plastic collectible figure. Alright. Nifty. I dig it, I dig it, I dig it. I'm loving the car freshener. Alright, so I guess what we got here, we got the coasters, the socks, the air freshener, the vinyl figure, and the mystery item would be, let's see, oh, the planter figure. So the planter was our mystery item, but that's the Ghostbusters Culture Fly box. It's kind of like a loot box. Pretty cool. But as always, with a break, I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. I'm going to put in a stack of booger green parallels. So this is going into the flawless case. Let's fill this sucker up. But a whole stack of booger green parallels is going into this flawless case. But I figured I'd do something different. I know we've been doing a lot of the Garbage Pail Kids. We're going to get some other cards in. And we're going to have a different weekend from the last one. Stay tuned. I think you'll like it. But that's some pretty cool stuff out of this Ghostbusters box. And kind of digging the socks there. I'm going to be sporting those here pretty soon. But stay tuned. I got more stuff coming at you. So a little trivia. That's what's coming next. Stay tuned, everyone.